Hello everyone, I am Titi Agrawal, Solutions Engineer at Athena Intelligence. We are building an enterprise AI analyst for Fortune 500s. Today we'll be talking about agent personas in Athena. This gives Athena the capability of switching between different modes and personalities to assist you with different levels of your task. We start with the chat mode, which is used for brainstorming and idea generation workflows. This acts as a basic conversation between you and Athena, where Athena is not required to perform any actions like creating notebooks or editing any documents or stuff like that. The second one comes with these capabilities, assist, which is for quick and let's say simple tasks. So this can help you perform web researches and also create documents, edit them, as well as with the sheets. The third one is the deep thinking mode, where Athena gets the capability to perform multi-step complex workflows. This might involve use of multiple sub-agents like document or spreadsheet and reading PDFs and doing a Q&A analysis on the PDFs as well. Let's see an example of these three personas in action. You can easily toggle between these three personas from the chat UI by selecting chat, assist or deep think. Let's see an example of a portfolio analysis workflow using these three agent personas in Athena. The first step involves gathering strategies on portfolio optimization. Then the second step will be analyzing the current portfolio. And the third step will be implementing the strategies on the current workflow. Perfect. Let's have Athena brainstorm the strategies for portfolio optimization. Strategies for portfolios, keeping in mind a balanced approach where the ultimate aim is to minimize risks and let's say maximize returns. In this mode, Athena will only provide us with an outline of the strategies that can be used to optimize portfolios. It doesn't have access to any tools like web research or document creation, so this will just return an answer in the chat UI itself. Perfect. Now let's move on to the next step of our workflow, which is analyzing the current portfolio. You can easily use Command K and search for your files in Athena. Perfect. We have a sample investment portfolio here for Athena to analyze. Let's have Athena create a new document and draft a detailed performance analysis report for the current portfolio in our space. Let's also ask Athena to suggest optimization opportunities based on the strategies that we discovered earlier. Strategies. Perfect. For this task, let's switch from the chat mode to the assist mode so that Athena now has access to web as well as the document creation toolkit. As we can see, Athena has access to the document toolkit, meaning it is capable of now creating and editing a new document. Perfect. Athena has created a new document and now it will analyze the sample portfolio that we provided Athena with, which is present right here, and it will draft a detailed document, a detailed performance analysis report for this portfolio. Great. We have a nice detailed report here which gives us the executive summary, portfolio composition, performance metrics and insights. Based on the brainstormed ideas of how to optimize portfolios, we also have some optimization opportunities suggested by Athena here. Now let's move on to the third step of our workflow, which is implementing these strategies. Implementation of these strategies might involve multiple steps and hence we will now use the deep think mode of Athena. Let's focus on areas of improvement. As suggested by Athena, alternative investments are underweighted compared to traditional assets. Let's have Athena perform a web research on this and suggest opportunities for other investments. You can simply hit Command L and reference any text blurb onto the chat directly in Athena. Let's have Athena perform a web research and suggest alternate investment opportunities. Perfect. As we can see, this involves multiple steps like doing a web research, then gathering the information and consolidating it in a concise format. So the deep think mode of Athena has chosen the web research for the first part of the task, which is looking for alternative investment opportunities in other industries as compared to the ones that we have already invested in. Nice. Athena has given us alternative investments by performing a web research. It has browsed the URL for JP Morgan, and it is continuing its research by looking for more options on other websites. Great. Now we are looking at different ETFs. Athena also provides us with the source of the information that it gathers data from, and we can simply click on any of the links and actually go and read it for ourselves. Perfect. Let's go back and see what Athena has for us. As we can see, it's the deep think mode in Athena is not stopping after analyzing one or two websites. It is continuing to perform a very deep research on the subject provided to it. This way, the deep think mode becomes very handy when there is intense research required on a particular topic. Great. So as we can see, Athena has performed a very deep research and provided us with the alternative investment opportunities that can be used to improve the portfolio performance. This is how agent personas in Athena can be used to personalize your workflow assistance and help you with the level of your task, whether it be a simple chat assistance or deep research assistance in Athena. Thank you.